y'all, Rusty RVerTV. How you doing? Today is Friday, January 18th, and it's the eve of the big Quartzsite RV Show 2019. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm leaving the RV park here, which is filling up. Finally, all the sites, people are pulling in town left and right. Unbelievable. I was out and about a little earlier and there was just people everywhere, rigs everywhere. They're lined up in the streets trying to get propane, food, fuel. They are pouring into town right now. Okay, we're going to make a left here on Plymouth and we'll head down towards Main Street. We'll make a right up here on Main. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. I came out on purpose. I want to get the afternoon sun. We're going to fly the drone. If you haven't been there yet, over at the QIA, which is off to the left, the powwow is still going one more day. Tomorrow will be the powwow last day. Alright, let's make a left here on Central. We're going to go over to Tyson Wells. Cops got their traffic control signs out. There is police everywhere. Sheriff, Highway Patrol, and QPD. They will be enforcing speeding, ATVs. If you're on the road without plates or vice versa, they will ticket you for that. Okay, we're going to make a right up here on Kewen. Alright, this is Tyson Wells Showgrounds. It's in full swing. The Sell-a-Rama started today. All the vendors open. Tyson Wells is in full operation at the Sell-a-Rama. And once again, tomorrow will be the opening of the big tent, which is a Quartzsite RV Show. And the Sell-a-Rama goes in conjunction with it. Okay, I'm going to park here at the Tyson Wells office. Go around back. I'm going to launch a drone. We'll get some drone footage. Also, this coming Wednesday, the 23rd, we're going to do a meet and greet right here at the game store. Okay, drone time. Alright, up we go and check it out. Look at all the rigs, the RVs. There's the big tent. All the outside vendors are setting up on the outside perimeter. That's what it's going to look like when you go over there and walk through it. Look at all the motorhomes down below, huh? And check out straight across, up in the upper picture, Rice Ranch. Look how many rigs. That's always been empty. That place filled up overnight. Straight down below us, this is the Tyson Wells Seasonal Market. That kind of stays the same through all the shows. Then those metal buildings straight on, that's Prospectors. Now look at this. This is all vendors. This is his Sell-a-Rama. There's over 800 spots, 350 vendors, and they're all set up. They actually close the RV park during the show and turn all the spaces into vending. Pretty cool, huh? And that's Interstate 10 on the back of the picture. And there's that free parking that wraps clear around the back. So you can park there. You can also park over in the wash. Be careful. There's a lot of loose areas. And you don't want to get stuck. Okay, swing back around. Let's fly over to the big tent. What do you think? Check her out. Look at the size of that thing. It's 700 feet long by 100 feet wide. Approximately 70,000 square feet. Hundreds of vendors inside. See how they set up on the outside perimeter? There's food vendors and Honda generators, all the merchandise. That's too big to fit in the tent. Now check out all the RVs. Look at all them motorhomes and trailers. Just lined up. Look at all them things. That's beer bellies down in the upper picture. There's a look back at Tyson. The copper roof building is the office game store. Well, that's the place I'll be doing a meet and greet this coming Wednesday, January 23rd, between 9 and 3. And you can see there's the Sell-a-Rama. This is the Quartzsite RV Show in full swing right here. Look at the size of it, huh? And tomorrow it's going to get packed all weekend. Saturday and Sunday's always the biggest day of the shows. And all the days are busy, but Saturday and Sunday's usually the busiest. Look at all the vendors there. And they're selling everything. There's everything from rocks to tools to anything you can think of. Handcrafted items, RV related. You'll name it, you'll see it there. Come on down. There is parking on the street. Good luck trying to find one. Those are premium. Okay, let's fly over the other side and you'll get a little lower. Here's a lower look at the seasonal. That big tent right on the right hand side of the screen, that's the grocery store. There's pet patio down below. K&B Tool is down there at the end. Then there's sunglasses and food, Mexican food. There's quite a few food vendors. There's another look at the Sell-a-Rama. Jewelry, awnings, RV supplies, you name it, it's here. Look at the traffic in the street. You can spend a whole day here between the big tent and just Tyson. Then spend another day down at Desert Gardens. Then you go to the downtown vending areas too. We'll do a drive through town on my way home. There's a look straight down at K&B. Pretty good shot there. There you have it. This is the eve of the big tent. The Sell-a-Rama's already started. We're at Tyson Wells. Come on down. It's showtime in Quartzsite 2019. This is it. Wasn't that a cool look? Nothing like a drone, huh? Once again, I will be doing the meet and greet here Wednesday the 23rd between 9 and 3. I'll have cameras set up. They're going to offer discounts at the game store. I will be doing a full video on that probably Sunday. I should get that out. Okay, I'm going to make a left here. This is queuing. Let's do a loop around town. We'll do a quick loop, run down Main Street. See the cars everywhere. See how they park in the wash. Be careful now that it looks solid, but some of these areas, especially after the rain we just had, see the tire tracks, you can get stuck. Now if you got four-wheel drive, big deal. And right up here on the left is Desert Gardens. And all their vendors are set up and open. Over the next 10 days, this is it. This is the main event of Quartzsite. Right now, it's starting. The desert is full. Rigs are coming in left and right everywhere. All the RV parks are full too. If you're here locally, if you want supplies, get out super early in the morning. If you wait to mid-morning or noontime, you're gonna just be standing in line everywhere. Gas stations, grocery stores, whatever. You're better off just going to the shows, walk around, and do your shopping either early in the morning or later in the evening. Because after about 5 o'clock, all the vendors, they start shutting down. It'll wind down. Okay, this is the famous exit 17. See how narrow the bridge? This gets so congested. Use 19 if you're coming to town. You're much better off. And Quartzsite ain't that big. You can double back in a heartbeat. But I've sat on one of these ramps here for 20 minutes trying to get out. There's no traffic lights, and it can just be that congested. Okay, let's make a right up here on Main Street. And everything's open here too. All the businesses are open. Gem World up here on the left. All the restaurants up here on the right. Then you got McDonald's, all the fast food, junky food. Tire shop on the left. They are super busy. Also up here on the left is Hardee's. Don't forget to go in there. There's the Chamber. They're the ones that donated the $100 to the trash cleanup. And I want to thank everybody for all their nice comments too on that video. There was a lot of behind the scenes stuff. I'll get into that in an update in the future. What the other things that took place out there. You didn't see everything in the video. But we'll save that for another day. Okay, don't forget about vendors on Main Street where this big yellow tank is. Bunch of vendors in there. Go in and say hi to them. Shop. Spend money. Another RV dealer on the right. Dollar store up here on the right. Guy sells big yard art there, all rusted up stuff on the left back there. This is Tyson Wash. So pretty much that's it. You're seeing Quartzsite the night before the big show. Me personally, I will be filming all over the place. I'll be at Tyson. I'll probably do a walk around the big tent tomorrow and Sunday. And try to get as much info out as I can. There is so much going on. Once again, don't forget about the powwow. Tomorrow's the last day of the powwow at the QIA. Alrighty, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. If you're in town, you see me, say hi. Be looking forward to meeting you. Everyone take care, travel safe. Talk soon.